A lot of opinions locally is now getting international attention. Some people even say Purvi Patel's 20-year prison sentence for feticide and neglect sets a bad precedent for pregnant women. WSBT-22's Kelly Stupczynski continues to cover this story for us. And Kelly, the story is now viral.
Rick, many major media outlets and blogs in the United States picked it up this week after a judge sentenced Patel. A TV reporter from India contacted me with questions about the case. And look at this, all these tweets with the hashtag Purvi Patel, mostly people supporting her.
But our top story this morning, sentenced to 30 years in prison for suffering a miscarriage.
Her story.
On Monday, Purvi Patel, an Indian-American woman, became the first person in U.S. history sentenced to prison for feticide.
Is making its way around the world.
That is an issue which is very, very common in India, especially in northern part of India. We have seen an increasing number of cases where there have been many cases of female feticide.
And stirring controversy.
When people hear about that, pregnant women become discouraged from seeking health care when they're having a problem with their pregnancy.
A group called National Advocates for Pregnant Women says feticide laws were created to protect rather than punish pregnant women. They claim Patel is being punished because of a miscarriage.
I don't consider it a precedent unless the Indiana Court of Appeals or the Indiana Supreme Court would uphold this conviction on appeal.
Prosecutors say Patel ordered abortion drugs online and documented taking them in a text message to a friend, saying, by the way, these pills taste like if these pills don't work, I'm gonna be mad. She delivered the baby, estimated to be more than 20 weeks gestation, on the floor of her Granger home, then put it in a dumpster behind a restaurant her family owns. St. Joseph County prosecutor Ken Cotter says many people do not understand the facts of this case. The prosecution of Ms. Patel was focused on the fact that the child was born alive and that Ms. Patel did nothing to help that child survive, he said in a statement. Patel's supporters dispute the method the state's pathologist used to prove that baby took a breath. Some scientists actually have said it's outdated and discredited. Supporters also created an online petition to the White House asking for a full and immediate pardon for Patel. In just 3 days, it has 5,000 signatures. I just checked. At her sentencing Monday, Patel indicated to the judge she planned to hire a lawyer for her appeal, but I also just found out she is now requesting a public defender. Jennifer.
Kelly, thank you.